fireman. Trace the brown path to help the fireman reach the fire station. You have to trace it the path here. Safety for all. Safety is needed for all of us. In this chapter, we are going to learn the different safety rules on different places. Safety for all. Safety comes first for everybody. Safe means no one gets hurt. We should always try to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. Today I am going to tell you some safety rules you should know too to stay safe and sound at home, on the road and in the playground. Here are some fun poems that we can learn. They will help us remember different rules. Now safety is very important for all of us. Safe means no one get hurts. We should always try to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. Now today we are going to learn different safety rules on different places to stay safe and sound at home, on the road and in the playground. We are going to learn some poems also. Safety rules you should know too. How we stay safe and sound at home, road and playground. Now at home. I love my home. It's very sweet. It's where I play, sleep and eat. There are many rooms in my house with many things placed around. Some feel soft on my skin. Some are sharp, just like a pin. I must stay away from those things that can cut, hurt, or pinch. We all love our house and we all have so many things in our house that can hurt us also. So, we should not use sharp things. We must stay away from those things that can cut, hurt or pinch us. Scissors, knives, blades and pins. Use them only when parents are in. You have to use scissor, knife, blades and pins when you are near to your parents or teachers. When you are alone, do not use scissor, knives and blades. When floors are wet, I never run, else I can fall, which won't be fun. Now at home, if you found the floor is wet, no need to run on or no need to walk on the wet floor. That can hurt you. Stove and iron are so hot, all they say is touch me not. Stoves and irons are so much hot, so you should stay away from that places. Switch on the lights or the fans only and only with dry hands. With dry hands, you all should touch the switches. I always take care of myself to keep me and others safe and well. You should take care of yourself. Fill in the blanks. I use scissors only when my elder are there. I will not walk or run on wet floor. I will touch switches only when my hands are dry. Now circle the things you cannot play with. You should not play with the nail. You should not play with the blade. You should not play with the iron and scissors. Complete the names of the following touch me not things. Tell me touch me not things. Stove and iron. Now in the school. Every morning I go to school with bags and books and water cool. The bus comes in and we get we gather around. It stops by us with a scratching sound. Now, every morning I go to school with bags, books, and water bottles. We go in a bus. We good kids and walk in a line, hands and head always inside. You all should walk into the bus in a line. No pushing around, that's the only rule, tells Mr. Driver as we leave for school. You should not push anybody in the bus, uh, in the bus or outside the bus. Our class has rules followed by all to keep us safe from hurt or fall. You all should follow some rules in the classroom also. You should not fight in the class with each other. You should not run behind each other in the classes. By that you can get hurt by the benches or tables. No one should climb or jump on chairs. All should walk in line on stairs. On stair, you all should walk in a line. Do not jump or run in the corridors or in the classrooms or near the chairs, benches, and tables. I always take care of myself to keep me and others safe and well. You should take care of yourself to keep me and others safe. Look at the picture of the classroom. What is wrong in this picture? Discuss this. All of you look at this picture. All the children are playing in the classroom. They are throwing papers in the classroom here and there. They are moving the benches around in the bus, in the classroom. So this is a wrong habit. This is a bad habit. And this is also not safe for us. Now at the playground. Playground is the best place in the town with slide swings and birds chirpy sound. Soaring high on the swings like a bird with beautiful wings. Now you all love the playgrounds. You all love to go on the slides, swings. You all love the parks where you listen the sound of the birds. You all like to swing on the swings. But I should remember some important things. But you should remember some important things. Not to stand in front or behind the swings. You should not stand in front or behind the swings. हमें swing से लग सकती है अगर हम आगे या पीछे खड़े होंगे तो. I should sit carefully on the slides, not bending over either sides. You all should slide safely on the slides. You should not bend on the slides. You should not walk on the slides. Some students used to do that thing, but that is a bad habit. You can get hurt from that also. I always take care of myself to keep me and others safe and well. I always take care of myself. Now fill in the blanks. At home, I will never play with sharp objects. You should not play with the sharp objects at home. In the playground, I will wait for my turn and will not push others. I will get into and out of the bus in a line. In the playground, I never stand in front or behind the swings. When I am on the slides, I should not bend over either sides. Now some important rules on the road. Pom 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 goes the horn, cars and scooters driving along. Roads are where I need to see all the vehicles passing by me. When you go to road, you listen so many horns, pom pom of the cars, scooters. All the vehicles are passing away from you. I stop and look left to right. You should stop and look left and right for any vehicle passing by. When you cross the road, you should see left and right. I cross the road when I see all the vehicles are far from me. On the roadside are three bright lights standing like a pillar in a box upright. When you cross the road, you all should see left and right. Either some vehicles are going or not, or you should be far away from the vehicles when you cross the road. And you see three lights on the roads. Stop, says the red light. Stop, says the red light. Green waits for everyone and get ready, says yellow bright, and yellow light says get ready. Green waits for everyone and yells let's grow, and green light says let's go. While walking on the footpath, I see a patch on the road. Black and white strips painted like a coat. You can see here black and white strips road. These are zebra crossings. You should always cross on zebra crossing when the vehicles stop here. That's a zebra crossing, my mother says. That is a zebra crossing. It is the place where we cross the road. I keep these little rules in my mind to keep me and others safe and fine. You all should keep these rules in your mind when you go on the road. Now here you have to draw a traffic lights and color it. Now some rules in the market. Eating, shopping and looking around. Market is where everything is found. Listen to some rules. My mother says, be with me through all the way. You all love to go in the market and you all should listen to your mother also. Always be with your parents when you go out. No talking to strangers, taking things from them. I want you to be safe. You are my little gem. You should not talk to the strangers and you all should not take anything from the strangers. In the market, I visit many shops with toys, treats, and yummy lollipops, says my mother when we get in. So, you should not talk with the strangers. You should be with your parents only when you go in for the shopping. Don't touch anything without asking. She tells me to take care of myself, to keep me and others safe and well. You should not touch anything in the market. You should be with your parents. My safety poem always rhymes. It keeps me safe all the time. You all should follow the rules which you have learned in the which you have learned in this chapter, for going to the market, for going in the classroom, in the bus, on the road. You all should follow some rules to keep yourself safe. Now fill in the blanks. If I go to the market, I will stay with my parents. I will not talk to any stranger. I will not touch things. Now put true and false. I can hurt myself and others if I push someone. True. I can do everything on my own in my home. False. I should talk to strangers in the mall. False. I should keep my books and toys at proper places. True. I should climb the desks in my class. False. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you and be safe.